CCTV systems have become essential for safeguarding homes, offices, and factories. In today's world, security is a top priority, and having reliable surveillance helps protect both people and property. But what makes CCTV so important? CCTV, or closed-circuit television, offers round-the-clock monitoring, allowing you to keep an eye on your premises at any time. This constant vigilance helps deter theft, vandalism, and unauthorized access. In case of incidents, recorded footage can provide crucial evidence for investigations. Whether you are concerned about the safety of your family, employees, or valuable assets, CCTV systems add an extra layer of protection and peace of mind. DBS Systems specializes in providing high-quality CCTV systems and professional installation services. With a commitment to reliability and customer satisfaction, DBS Systems ensures your security needs are met efficiently. Choose DBS Systems for trusted CCTV solutions tailored to your home, office, or factory.